Hello and welcome back to our channel guys. And tonight we witnessed a Spanish Super Cup final for the ages as Barcelona defeated Real Madrid by 5 goals to 2 to lift their first ever trophy of 2025. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. So guys, Carlo Ancelotti played this game with a 4-2-3-1 formation in which he started Thibaut Courtois at goal, Lucas Vazquez at right back, Aurelien Tchouameni and Rudiger were the two centre backs and Ferland Mendy played this game at left back. In midfield, Fede Valverde started this game alongside Eduardo Camavinga as the two defensive midfielders, Bellingham started this game as a central attacking midfielder, Rodrigo started this game as a right attacking midfielder, Vinicius Jr. as a left attacking midfielder, and Kylian Mbappe started this game as a centre forward. While Barcelona head coach Hansi Flick also played this game with a 4-2-3-1 formation in which he started Szczesny at goal, Jules Koundé at right back, Kobarsi and Martinez were the two centre backs and Balde started this game at left back. In midfield, Marc Casado and Pedri were the two defensive midfielders, Gavi started this game as a central attacking midfielder, Lamine Yamal as a right attacking midfielder, Rafinha as a left attacking midfielder and Robert Lewandowski started this game as a centre forward. So guys, Real Madrid drew first blood in the 5th minute when Kylian Mbappe capitalized on a swift attack to put Los Blancos ahead. It looked like Real Madrid were ready to dominate, but Barcelona had other plans. Enter Lamine Yamal, the teenager brought the stadium to its feet with a moment of Messi's magic in the 22nd minute, weaving through the defense and unleashing an unstoppable strike past Thibaut Courtois. At just 16 years of age, this kid continues to dazzle on the biggest stages. Barcelona turned up the heat before halftime. Robert Lewandowski coolly converted a penalty after Gavi was fouled, making it 2-1. Moments later, Jules Koundé's pinpoint cross found Rafinha, who powered a header into the back of the net. And just when you thought it couldn't get worse for Real Madrid, Alejandro Balde joined the party. A lightning-fast counter-attack saw the young fullback finish off a brilliant team move, giving Barca a 4-1 lead at the break. The second half began much like the first, with Barcelona dominating. Rafinha added his second of the night to make it 5-1, but drama struck when Szczesny was sent off for bringing down Mbappe just outside the box. Controversy reigned in the final stages as Vinicius Jr. escaped a second yellow card for a dangerous tackle. Despite being down to 10 men, Barcelona's defense, led by a substitute goalkeeper Iñaki Peña, held firm to deny Madrid any chance of a late comeback. When the final whistle blew, it was Barcelona who celebrated another emphatic El Clasico victory. Hansi Flick men were simply unstoppable, with standout performance from Rafinha, Lamine Yamal and Lewandowski. What a night for Barcelona fans! This win not only gives them the Spanish Super Cup but also sets the tone for what could be an incredible year. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Real Madrid took a total of 19 shots in which 6 of them were on target, while Barcelona took a total of 14 shots in which 8 of them were on target. Real Madrid had 48% of possession, while Barcelona had 52% of possession. Real Madrid completed 404 passes, while Barcelona completed 433 passes. Real Madrid had 85% of passing accuracy, while Barcelona had 86% of passing accuracy. Real Madrid committed 14 fouls, while Barcelona committed 13 fouls. Real Madrid got 5 yellow cards while Barcelona got 4 yellow cards. But with these yellow cards, Barcelona also got 1 red card. So that's all for today guys. What did you think of Barcelona's performance? Can they maintain this form for the rest of the season? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more football content. See you until next time. Thank you.